Gonna put the bird up in the air today. It's 29 degrees. It's good enough. Nice and sunny. Had a lot of snow melt in the last few days. It's been a couple weeks since I had it up in the air. It was melting. Then it got real cold overnight, and all this turned to ice. They don't plow or salt these roads within the park. Anything going on down here? Well, if I do find some tracks, it's going to look like Godzilla went through there because of the snow melt. I'm going to try another spot. A couple hunters showed up with their beagle dogs, so I didn't want to bother them with the noise. Well, that's a lot of ice. So far, there's nobody back here. Got about another mile to go. All right, let's get this thing up in the air. I'm not going too far from my home location here.
Take off.
Let's go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
98% battery. I'm up 54, 60 feet. All right, let's go over and look at this little spot here. I always check this area out. I don't know why, I just like it. I like seeing what comes down to the water to get something to drink. "87 feet in altitude. I'm connected to 14 satellites, so I'm good there. One thing I don't like is the way that sun casts the shadows of the trees. It kind of messes me up a little bit on this screen. Let's take a peek around here. About 36 feet in height. Altitude, sorry. Oh, that's a trackway over here. Let's go see what this is. Oops, wrong way. All right, let's go down. We got a little bit of wind. Let's move up on our target here. Dang it, I keep panning this camera in the wrong direction. 18 feet, 16. 10 feet. Oh, now it's saying 18 feet. Okay, there we go. My bad. I was reading something wrong here. All right, what do we got here? Kind of looks like a straight line there with... Oh, I thought it was somebody maybe cross country, but now it's saying I'm 18 feet. This way. Let's go down some. Wish this screen was brighter. Looks like something was dragging something there. Over this way. I better go up just a little bit. There we go. Go over this way. Man, this is really cool. Got some other little critter prints there. That's cool. Could be velociraptors. I'm 75% on battery. I am 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm connected to 17 satellites. Let's just turn a little bit here. Let's get a closer look at this bank here. Oops. Ain't really seeing too much. A lot of small critter stuff. I'm at 71% battery. Although it's like 28 degrees out here, it's doing pretty good. I've flown this thing in 8 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's really impressed me so far. Well, that's enough for this clip. All right. Still about 10 feet off the ground. Just checking for any signs of prints from anything, really. It's just cool finding them. Be nice to see some deer standing down here somewhere, but they probably heard me coming if they was here. Oh, better watch that tree. Go around that here. Okay, we're good there. We got here a little dam buildup. Yeah. Interesting. I'm about 300 yards from myself here. I'm sure you understand what I was trying to say. Let me go up some. Now see how it changes because of the sun. Go back down this way. Can I sneak through here? Oh boy. Made it. Sweet. All right, I'm coming back towards base camp here. Let's see if you can see me down there. No, I'm up the road there a ways. Well, anyway, I wanted to jump back across this washed out bridge here. Check on the other side. Oh! Slippery. Look at that. That's all washed out. Let me turn the camera this way, see if you can see me up the road there. Yeah, up parked to the right over there. It's nice to see some green. It's beautiful. There's some critter tracks. Still doing good. I'm about 47% battery. Let's go down some. Looks like that can be coyote or deer. Sort of looks like deer print. All right.